In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a template while keeping your design the same in Canva. When you're working on a design in Canva, it's common to realize halfway through that you chose the wrong template size or style. Maybe you started with an Instagram post, but now you need it as a presentation slide or a YouTube thumbnail. The good news is, you don't have to rebuild your design from scratch. You can switch to a different template and still keep the overall look and feel of what you've already created. First, open your existing design in Canva. This is the design whose look, colors, and elements you want to keep. Take a quick moment to zoom out and check everything on the page: your text, images, logos, and any decorative elements. This will help you notice later if anything shifts as you change templates. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Templates tab. Canva will show you a list of recommended templates based on your current design type, but you can also use the search bar at the top to find a more suitable format. For example, you might type in YouTube thumbnail, A4 document, or presentation, depending on what you need. When you find a template you like, hover over it and take note of the layout, orientation, and style. You're not trying to copy its content. You're just using it as a new base. Now, click once on that template. Canva will ask whether you want to apply it to just the current page or to all pages in your project. If you're working on a single-page design, simply apply it to that page. If you have multiple pages that all share the same style, you can apply it to all of them for consistency. After you apply the new template, Canva will update the page size and layout. At this point, some of your elements may shift around. Don't worry, this is normal. Your design is still there. It just needs a bit of adjustment. Take a moment to drag your text boxes, images, and logos back into place. Use the alignment guides to center important elements and keep spacing consistent. Finally, review the entire design. Make sure nothing important is cut off at the edges and that your text remains readable. When you're happy with how everything looks in the new format, you're done. You've successfully changed the template while keeping your original design style intact.